Cruise ships used to feel relaxing.
Welcome to pure relaxation aboard the Sky Princess. Whether you're soaking in the sun or lounging in the shade, the pool deck is the perfect escape. Imagine yourself reclining on a plush chair, your favorite drink in hand, while the endless ocean stretches out before you. Feel the warm breeze on your skin, hear the gentle splash of the pool, and let all your worries melt away. Here, the world is at your fingertips, but the only thing on your agenda is total serenity. Welcome to Paradise on the Water.
People respected each other. People respected the crew. People respected the vacation experience.
You just gotta keep living, man. Livin.
But now, chair hogs, passengers screaming across decks, people acting entitled, disrespect towards staff, and a whole lot of longtime cruisers are starting to say the same thing. Cruises are changing. And today, Old School is going to talk about the rude cruise passenger problem and why some people believe it's getting completely out of control.
Yeah, that other woman that was just walking.
You tell me. That's not the point. They won't let me off the boat. Hey, they can't fuck with me easy, but I can. That's not my fucking fault. Get the fuck out. I don't give a fuck. Please take your kid, go somewhere else, and have an argument with somebody else. Do not talk to them like that. Do something, hey! Shoot your shit! Shoot your shit! Shoot! Leave! Let them leave! Tell them to get out of my fucking face! Get out of here! Get the fuck out of here! You just fucking chill! Hey! Look at me like that again! Yeah, do something about it. Sit here. Hey, I'm in the parking lot. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? I'll see you there. I'm fine. I just don't like how they leave it. They have no control.
No.
Why the fuck would I stop at the door?
Now, Old School has been watching cruise culture for years, and something has definitely changed. A lot of people no longer vacation with consideration for other people around them. Everything becomes about them. My chair, my music, my food, my drink package, my attitude.
My name is Lauren. I've been a crew member for more than 10 years, and here are some common Karen cruise ship complaints. My room doesn't feel as big as the photos. Why, yes, madame, that's called reality. You're all too nice. It feels fake. Are you trained to smile like that? Yes, it's a secret program called hospitality. It's very controversial. The hot tub is too hot. I want a refund. We'll cool it down, and then we'll call it the pool. The ocean is unusually blue today. It's quite alarming to me. Can you adjust it, please? But of course, madame, we'll just turn down the saturation knob in the control room. I sailed here 3 years ago. Why don't you remember me? Let me just scan my brain's hard drive for the 11,000 other guests that I've met in 3 years. The captain didn't wave back at me. Karen, I want a refund. Yes, ma'am. He is piloting a 140,000-ton vessel, not emceeing a parade.
And some passengers walk onto cruise ships acting like basic courtesy no longer matters. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest cruise complaints on the internet, chair hog.
So I'm going to do something on this cruise ship that I normally don't do. I'm going to show you something. I'm going to do a little, I guess it's rant. And this is normally not me. But I'm just sitting up here and watching all of this. Look downstairs. See all of these chairs. A lot of them have towels. And no body in it. But they have towels. No bodies. But I'll have towels. And this is what you have in the pool. So you're holding chairs for what? Just to have them there all day? I don't really get that. I'm not that kind of person. If you have a chair mark, have your behind in it. Don't just mark your chair so that you have a place by the pool all day. And others can't even enjoy it. I do see that there are people walking around that would like to sit down and lay out. I'm sorry. That was an ugly rant, but come on, people. Let's do better. Let's share. Share the area. Don't just hog it up. Y'all have a great day.
You wake up early. You finally get to the pool deck. And every chair already has towels on it. But nobody's even sitting there. Now, old school has seen people reserve chairs for hours. And this right here is one of the fastest ways to frustrate passengers. How many of y'all have personally dealt with this on a cruise? Now, this next part is where old school starts having a real issue. These cruise members work extremely hard, long hours, away from their families, thousands of passengers. And some passengers threat these crew members terribly, snapping fingers, talking down to them, acting entitled. And then people wonder why service starts dropping. Nobody is saying passengers can't complain, but there's a difference between complaining and disrespect.
We got stuck with this stinking dog. Hi! Did you see them? They waved at me. Okay, come on out. This is my massive balcony with my nice, pretty glass. No, it's not. It's supposed to be. Oh, come on. Our view. Yay! Bottom of boats. Just what I ordered. The tram's even smaller, like half size. But it's a good thing that my rumpus still fits in it, or else I'd really be. I already tried to go to the guest service desk. Don't even. We got in an angry argument and it didn't go well. My mannequin. He's still in the same spot. Good. Here's my closet. You guys don't really care to see a closet, right? I think that's it.
They do want to see the closet. They want to know how spacious the cruise ship.
Oh, okay. Pretty spacious. Some life jackies, just in case we try. No, bad luck. If she keeps interrupting me. If he keeps interrupting me. Here's another closet. Oh, and our mirror. I didn't even. Really?
On behalf of all my officers,
How?
staff, and crew, it is my pleasure to welcome you.
We don't have a freaking mirror. Oh, I almost forgot. Here's all the important papers that I never read. It's probably good information. And my stool. My stool is comfy this time. And my guest stool is not comfy, but it's for my guests, so it doesn't matter. Okay, here's a phone. You can call some people if you need to. If you're ever bored, they have 24/7 talkers. They don't do that. That's annoying. Okay, that's really it. This is my cruise room. I'm a little disappointed, but I won't complain too much. You should get out before I complain.
Now, some people blame society for all of this, but old school thinks cruise lines help create part of the problem. Bigger ships.
This is the largest cruise ship in the world, the icon of the seas. It's so massive that it's 5 times bigger than the Titanic. This colossal vessel was built in Finland over a period of 900 days, with a construction cost of more than $2 billion. It stretches 1,198 feet long and can carry up to 7,500 guests. One of its most impressive features is the largest water park at sea, with 7 pools and 6 water slides. But what fascinates me the most is how they manage to feed so many people. In just 7 days, this floating city consumes over 200,000 pounds of food. It's estimated that the crew prepares up to 30,000 meals every single day.
Cheaper pricing. Unlimited drink packages.
Another one, thank you. 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 Another.
Party-focused marketing, and when you pack thousands of people together, problems increase. That's just reality.
Cruises are great until you get on board the MSC Virtuosa and you realise how overcrowded this ship can be. I mean, yeah, sometimes you can go out on the deck area when the buffet's open and all the sun lounges are empty, but when they put the shows on, it's normally really unorganised. They put them on in the promenade area, where there's people watching from the balconies, people queuing up to go into the theatre shows. It's just absolutely chaotic on board the MSC Virtuosa. But let us know in the comments whether you think the MSC Virtuosa is overcrowded or not overcrowded. And if you've been on cruise ships the same size as the MSC Virtuosa, that's not been so overcrowded, because we've been on a couple cruise ships. It's a similar size floor space, public floor space, as the MSC Virtuosa, with 3,000 people less, and it was way better organised.
And some long-time cruisers are starting to say the experience feels completely different now. Cruisers used to feel more peaceful, more respectful, more relaxing. And now, some ships feel non-stop chaos.
No, they're doing that!
Oh my god. Now watch this, ready? Now watch me, what? Watch me, Nana. No, ready? Now watch.
I just wanted to get out!
Oh my god. Now watch, it'll go back in like 30 seconds.
Are you serious? Why did you have to do that?
No, it comes back in like 30 seconds.
No, look, y'all shut off the whole elevator!
No, it works.
We're gonna die.
We're gonna die. Yo, low-key, open it right now. I promise you we're like out the door. Like we could get out. Why would we?
Scared.
Bro, why did you do this?
Like that.
Bro, why did you open the door?
It's just resetting, bro. It's resetting, bro. We did this like 50 times.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh god.
Oh god.
Oh.
We gotta wait like 5 minutes, Chad.
5 minutes, I'm stuck!
Yo! Start the timer, Chad!
Yo! We stuck in the fucking elevator, we're gonna die!
Yo!
Now, old school believes something very simple. You don't have to agree with everybody. You don't have to be perfect. But basic respect, that should still matter. Because one rude passenger can affect a vacation of hundreds of people. And the sad part, a whole lot of experienced cruisers are saying they've noticed these problems more and more.
She will be going into I'm a lawyer, and I'm telling you right now, she will be joining them. Period. There is no let me check. That is, I'm furious. Figure it out. Quickly, let's go. I need to check if I can see it. Adding her to the event is boggling my mind. I understand. I'm sorry about that. Also, I called the concierge and confirmed everything over and over, making sure every girl on my reservation will have this event. I can check what happened with the reservation. Please go ahead and do that right now. Let me check in.
If cruise lines don't get control of some of this behavior, a lot of experienced cruisers may eventually start walking away.
You serious?
Because people vacation to relax, not to deal with non-stop disrespect. Now, I want to hear from you. Have cruises changed, or do you think people are overreacting? Now, y'all stay blessed.